Maybe it's true what they say. The future's based on yesterday. But we're all gathering now. We're living in the fear of how. All of these questions are strange. Which of us will make a change? Which of us will change the world? I've never felt this young before. So when I open my eyes, I see the journey begin. From the land to the skies, I'm running free like the wind. And even though I don't know what tomorrow may bring, I believe that you and I will be dancing close forever.